Hello everyone. I know most of you are wise enough to watch this video till the end. You will see how to make a beautiful newspaper showpiece at home. I know this is not easy, but I know that you can do it. All you have to do is watch this video till the end because we have given all the steps in chronological order so that you can learn it at home. There are two recommendations for you. First one is, if you want to see all steps in written, so go to YouTube settings and click on CC because we have given everything there. And the second recommendation is, if you find this video too fast, then once again go to YouTube settings and slow down this video to 0.75x. You have made it to 1 minute 6 seconds and you should see every step till the end. The beautiful newspaper showpiece has been completed now, and this is the newspaper hanging doll. And you can hang it anywhere at your home, the place that you like. So if you like the video, do hit the like button and give us comments in the comment section. So thank you and have a nice day.